This stickman wants 1 cup of coffee, but he cannot say it in English. Watch what happens. The stickman walks into a coffee shop. He looks at the menu. He does not understand every word. The person at the counter says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" The stickman freezes. He knows the word coffee, but he does not know how to ask. He points at the cup. He says nothing. The person waits. The stickman feels embarrassed. He leaves without his coffee. The stickman sits outside. He thinks, "My English is bad. I need to know everything before I speak." But then he remembers something. He does not need to know everything. He needs 3 words. Only 3. He opens his phone. He finds 3 simple words. Order, please, excuse me. He repeats them. Day 1, he says them quietly, alone. Day 2, he says them a little louder. Day 3, he practices the full sentence. Excuse me, can I order a coffee, please? He says it again and again. Not perfect, but clearer every time. The stickman walks into the coffee shop again. He steps up to the counter. He says, "Excuse me, can I order a coffee, please?" His voice shakes a little, but he says it. The person smiles and says, "Sure, 1 coffee coming up." The stickman is surprised. It worked. Not perfect English, just 3 words and 1 sentence. Let's learn the 3 words from this story. Only 3, not 10. Word 1, order. To order means to ask for something you want. Example, I want to order a coffee. Repeat, order, order. Word 2, please. We use please to be polite when we ask for something. Example, 1 coffee, please. Repeat, please, please. Word 3, excuse me. We say excuse me to start a polite question. Example, excuse me, can I ask a question? Repeat, excuse me, excuse me. Now say these sentences out loud with me. Sentence 1, listen. Excuse me, can I order a coffee, please? Repeat, excuse me, can I order a coffee, please? One more time. Excuse me, can I order a coffee, please? Sentence 2, listen. 1 coffee, please. Repeat, 1 coffee, please. One more time. 1 coffee, please. Sentence 3, listen. Thank you very much. Repeat, thank you very much. One more time. Thank you very much. The stickman did not need perfect English. He needed 3 words in 1 small sentence. Mistakes are part of learning. Do not worry about them. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Today you learned 3 words. Order, please, excuse me. Try them today at a coffee shop, at a store, anywhere. 10 minutes every day can change your English. And maybe one day it can change your life. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep going.